Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create line chart and graph in Excel. So for us to get this done, I have created this particular table right here, and we're going to use this as a reference to creating our own line chart. So for us to get that done, we're going to head over to insert right here, and you should be able to see here different kind of line charts. So I want you to go ahead and choose which one you think would fit the best in your presentation from here. And yeah, for example, I'm just going to go ahead and use the simplest one. I'm going to choose this. And then, oops, I'm going to put it just beside my table. And yeah, from this point forward, you can go ahead and click on the chart, right click on it, click select data in case you want to make changes here. So from here, go ahead and click the edit button right here and make sure that you have the right values and the right series name included. If not, then go ahead and make changes here. But basically, that's the easiest way in order for us to create line chart and graph in Excel.